Hi, guys, this is day 10 Arigato meditation program. Okay, so today is day 10. I just came out of my evening meditation class. Today is Friday, an awesome day. I hope you all are in weekend mode. Doesn't matter you work from home, you're working inside the office. It's already a weekend, okay? One more reason to feel good about it, okay? So today, what tip I can give you about doing meditation? Okay. So today, what I'm going to discuss, I'm going to summary the whole 10 days what I have given you as a tip. Okay. I tried to summary, but if I left any point, just go watch my video. It's already recorded in Instagram from day 1 to day 9. Okay. So the first thing, why 21 days? Because anything you do, even it's a bad habit, even it's a good habit, anything you do consistently for next 21 days, it will become your habit, like brushing a teeth. Okay, but like eating a food. So this is why this 21 days kept as to talk to our subconscious mind by to meditation kar le. It's okay, meditation is nothing new, meditation is easier than you think. इसके लिए हमें 21 डेज का लेनी चाहिए. जो भी हैबिट्स आपको बनना, जो भी न्यू हैबिट्स आपको डेवलप करनी है, प्लीज गो विद द डे ऑफ 21 डेज. कंसिस्टेंटली आप करोगे, आपको क्या हो जाएगा, आपके कॉन्शियस माइंड पे, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पे चला जाएगा, एंड देन इट विल बिकम योर हैबिट. ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट. Okay, it can be meditation, it can be a gym, it can be creating a content for your YouTube, it can be doing asanas in the morning, it can be anything. So the mantra is for consistency is 21 days. Discipline se aap karoge, you will be able to keep the habit going. Okay, first, next is I want to talk about the story which I always say, the situation which I always say, and I always can relate. Okay, you are walking inside a forest, there is a big river, flooded river, which is flowing from left to right, and you see that flooded river. How you feel? You feel the beauty of the river, you can enjoy the flow of the water. But what if you are inside that flooded river? डर लगेगा, correct? You'll be feel scared, you'll be like panicking. So that is what most of us are living. That flood of river is a life. Most of the people are panicking, fearful, afraid. They feel alone, they feel anxiety, they feel anger. So these kind of emotions, when you are standing inside that river, you will not be able to realize. So meditation will help you to come out of that flooded, dangerous river, come out of that river, so that you can watch your anger, so that you can see your fear, you can aware of yourself basically. So you have to put yourself on the top priority. For that, please continue with or start doing 21 days any meditation program. Go and start any class with anybody, doesn't matter who it is, but discipline come from you, nobody has to tell you. Okay, if you want to enjoy the flood of the river, the flow of the river, you have to stand outside the river. Okay, not inside the river. And that is what meditation is, a tool which help you to come outside of your problem. Okay, this is one of the other benefits which I want to say. The third benefit which I want to discuss, which I feel very strong about it, your intuition. Okay, your intuition plays such a role to take care of yourself. I always say put yourself first. Put yourself first. Why? When you put yourself first, take care of yourself first, you can see your intuition, you can hear your intuition. What that intuition will help you? That intuition will help you to take a better decisions, make you a good habit. Yes बोलने से, else बोलने से जहाँ no नहीं बोलेंगे, no बोलने से जहाँ yes नहीं बोलेंगे, right? Confusions नहीं रहेगा. You will not regret your decisions when the decision coming from your intuition. Okay, बहुत time आप बच जाओगे इंट्यूशन की सुनोगे. वो इंट्यूशन कैसे सुनाई देते हैं? यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, यू हैव टू गो विद इन योर सेल्फ. These kind of benefits are coming from meditation. So today is day 10. I थोड़ा सा मुझे ज़्यादा बात करनी है. I'm on live. If I'm nervous, that's all right. Okay. So day 10, we have reached day 10 and we have another 11 days. So today is day 10. I hope if you follow those tips in your daily life, if you don't even do meditation, if you follow those steps I have given in Instagram 1 to 9 arigato, day 1 to 9 arigato, you'll be able to okay, you are okay. Okay, so if you need any help, please contact me, insta me, messenger me, just don't say hi, just tell me your problem. मैं meditation करते वक्त मुझे ये problem हो रही है, मैं meditation ये नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मुझे ये problem है, I will help you with that. Okay, मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मैं क्यों करती हूँ ये, मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Trust me, I was once inside that river. The river was like flooding like anything. I had anger, I had a frustration, I had a anxiety, I have a top of the world anger, सब कुछ था. But today I am in the stage of helping others. Today I can share my experiences, how meditation helped me. Okay, so this is what I want to do next 2 years, and this is what I am going to do. I will help each and everyone, whoever is coming to me, whoever is watching my live, whoever is watching my video, I am going to help them make an impact in their life. I will teach them, I will insist them, meditation is easier than you think. बड़ा तोप नहीं है. इट्स नॉट दैट कि इट्स नॉट योर कप ऑफ टी, इट्स एवरीबडीज कप ऑफ कॉफी, कप ऑफ टी और कप ऑफ हॉर्लिक्स और कप ऑफ अल्कोहल, जो भी बोलो, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है उसको कनेक्ट कर लो. ठीक है, सो कुल मिला के मैं यही बोलना चाहती हूँ, आई एम ऑन अ मिशन टू क्रिएट अ कम्युनिटी which is meditative, which is intuitive, which is happy, which is okay to be sad. Okay, ये मेडिटेशन प्रोग्राम यही नहीं है मैं आपको हैप्पी रहना सिखाऊंगी. ये मेडिटेशन प्रोग्राम ये है, आप खुश भी रहोगे, ठीक है, नहीं खुश भी रहोगे, आप रॉक बॉटम हिट हो गए हैं, you will be able to come up, you will be able to support yourself, you will be able to give a hand for yourself, and that is what I want to create, a community of meditation through SP Peopletainment, and that is all about SP Peopletainment. We are here to motivate you to do entrepreneurs, go on entrepreneur career. We are here to motivate you, push you, guide you in a meditation path as well. Okay, if you want to be a good human being, you have to meditate. If you are not meditating, you don't know about yourself. Okay, मैं क्या बताऊँ, इतना ही बताऊंगी. I am super excited. This Sunday I'm gonna live on Facebook. Please be there with an amazing guest. One clue I can give you, she's from Canada and she's very related to Tamil Nadu as well, and she's a celebrity. She's going to come on Facebook Live. I'm going to have an one-on-one interaction. Why? I want to motivate, I want to inspire, I want to tell the story of the people so that you and I around my community can inspire to do something. Okay, I hope कि I think कि मैंने ज़्यादा बात कर लिया आज. बस join my community, be meditative, help each other. If you want my help, I am fucking there. Okay, just you better ping me if you have a fucking problem with your entrepreneur self, fucking problem with the doing meditation. Just ping me. I will be able to help you to come out of whatever the fucking problem you're going through. At least I try. Okay, this is what I want to convey today, and we're gonna rock it. I am already pepped up. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a community within next 2 years which gonna help entrepreneurs and the meditators. That's all. Peace out, be happy and be meditative. Take care and bye bye. See you on Sunday live in Facebook.